Deleted photos from your Sony? First thing, take out the SD card and put it aside. Today, I'll show you the method that helped me recover deleted photos on the Sony Cybershot I'm using. The same steps apply to basically any Sony camera, so don't worry if yours is a different model. So here's what happened in my case. I was moving photos from my SD card to my laptop, and instead of selecting the two I wanted to delete, I accidentally grabbed about 20 and deleted the whole batch. I checked the recycle bin right away. Nothing. Turns out files deleted from an SD card don't go there. The same thing happens if you delete photos directly on the camera. There's usually no bin to check. I also hadn't made any copies yet, so I started looking into whether there was any real way to retrieve deleted photos from a Sony Cybershot camera. Here's what I learned. When a photo gets deleted from an SD card, the data doesn't disappear right away. It just becomes invisible to the file system. As long as nothing overwrites it, it's still sitting there, but it doesn't take much. Even one new picture can wipe it out. That's why you need to stop using the camera and the card the second you notice something's missing. Don't shoot new photos, copy anything to it, or format the card. So, how do you actually get that photo data back? You're going to need recovery software. I use Disk Drill for this, so that's what I'll show you here. Disk Drill supports all the common Sony formats, from regular JPGs to RAW files like ARW, and even older formats like SR2 and SRF. In my case, it brought back every photo I needed, and the process was clear and simple. It also gives unlimited preview, so you can check whether the photo looks intact first. But before we move on to Sony camera photo recovery, connect the SD card to your computer through a card reader or adapter. You might be wondering why not just plug the camera in directly. The problem is that cameras don't give recovery software proper access to the card's data, so you'll need to scan the card directly. All right, let's finally walk through how to recover deleted photos on a Sony camera using Disk Drill. Step 1, go to the official Disk Drill download page on cleverfiles.com and download the app. I'll leave the link below. Step 2, install it on your computer, not on the SD card you're recovering. Step 3, open the app. On the main screen, you'll see all your connected drives. Find your SD card by its name and size and select it. Make sure you've got the right one. Step 4, click Search for lost data. Disk Drill will ask you to choose between Universal Scan and Advanced Camera Recovery. For deleted photos, Universal Scan is usually all you need. If you're also missing videos and the regular scan doesn't bring them back in good shape, you can try Advanced Camera Recovery afterward. Step 5, let the scan run all the way through. Files often show up early, but some can take a while to appear, especially on bigger cards. Step 6, once the scan is done, open the Pictures category and find your photos. You can also use filters by format, size, or date if needed. Here you can see the photos I deleted earlier, preview the files before recovering anything, and make sure they look intact. Step 7, select the photos you want, click Recover, and choose a different drive to save them to. Never save them back to the SD card you just scanned. Then click Next, and Disk Drill will start recovering the files. Step 8, once the process is finished, open the folder you selected and check the recovered photos. Make sure they open normally and look the way they should. What if Disk Drill doesn't find the files? Unfortunately, recovery isn't always guaranteed, and it's usually not a software problem. Most likely, the files were already overwritten. Sometimes even small system files the camera writes in the background can overwrite deleted photos. So your only real shot at getting them back is checking whether there's a backup somewhere you forgot about. Maybe you actually copied those photos without realizing it, and that's exactly why it's worth backing things up before you delete anything. And that's it for today. If you managed to recover deleted photos from your Sony camera, go ahead and make a backup right now. Or better yet, make a couple of backups so you don't lose them again. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've still got questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.